Sir, I want to become successful in merchant navy. How to become a good officer? How to become a great officer? Hi everyone, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel and Find Your True North की एक story आपको आज सुनाना चाहता हूँ. Guys, many a times so many messages come to me from students saying, Sir, I want to become successful in merchant navy. How to become a good officer? How to become a great officer? और हाउ टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. सर मैं 6 years के अंदर कैप्टन बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं 8 years के अंदर कैप्टन बनना चाहता हूँ, एंड ऑल दोस ब्ला 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 थिंग्स. सो गाइस, हियर इज द स्टोरी इफ यू रियली वांट टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ. So what happened was कि it's thousands of years back, but it's a true story. Socrates was a Greek philosopher. उनका बहुत नाम था and he was a very learned man. A lot of students were there, a lot of disciples I would say. तो one day a disciple asked him, Sir Socrates, Guruji, मुझे बताइए कि what do I need to do so that I can become successful? I want to become very successful. मैं बोला great. तो उन्होंने पूछा how much successful do you want to become? तो उन्होंने बोला सर एज सक्सेसफुल एज यू आर. कहते ओके कम टुमारो मॉर्निंग, आई एम गोइंग टू रिवर टू टेक बाथ, कम अलॉन्ग विद मी. सुबह 5 बजे सोक्रेट्स जी उठे, उनका शिष्य भारी खड़ा था, द स्टूडेंट वॉज साइटिंग आउटसाइड. दे वेंट टुगेदर टू टेक अ बाथ इन द रिवर. स्लोली स्लोली बोथ ऑफ देम एंटर्ड into the river center where the water was up till over here, both of them. Now the students started getting a bit trembling कि यार ये तो पानी यहाँ तक पहुँच गया, what to do? Now what suddenly Socrates, sir, the guru, not even thinking twice, took his head from his neck and dipped him into the water like that. So he is inside the water and struggling to survive, and Socrates was a strong teacher. His head is inside and he is struggling to survive. After 30 seconds, 45 seconds, when he saw that this student, if for another 15 seconds is being kept like this, he might die, he just took him out. Now you tell me, in another 5 seconds, what will be the first thing that this student, after he comes out, is going to do? Okay, what? Is he going to beat Socrates first thing? No. Sorry, not. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने आंसर दिया होगा. The first thing he's going to do is, जितना बड़ा मुंह खोल सकता है वो खोलेगा, and he'll try to breathe as much as possible. And the moment this student started doing that, Socrates said, now जितनी बुरी तरह से तुम्हें ये एयर चाहिए इनसाइड टू ब्रीथ, अगर उतनी ही बुरी तरह से you need success, you are going to become successful. So right now, how desperate you are to breathe air inside to live. If the same desperateness, same hungerness is there to become successful in life, nobody can stop you. And guys, that's the real input. I've seen in my life that there were students with 95%, 92%, 98%, and I'd seen some students with 70%, 65%, 55%. जिन teachers ने बोल दिया था इसका कुछ नहीं होगा because of our education system. Today they are doing much better than the toppers out there. And why? Because of this one skill set, that is कि just the day they realized that I want to become successful, their hunger was far, far, far better or far more than their peers out there. So please, if you really want to become successful, become hungry. You are going to become successful. Nobody can stop you. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di. In the end, all I can say is, if you have enjoyed the video, please like and share the video. Most importantly, subscribe the channel Merchant Navy Decoded. Comment your feedback. If you have any queries, please ask them as well. Please go through all the videos in the playlist section. They are going to be immensely helpful to you all. Jai Mata.